I'm going to use my blender to blitz all of the dry ingredients. So I got cashews, coconut, and some seeds. Problem is I don't have any almonds and all that stuff, which is fine. I'm just going to use what I've got in the house and then be done. So that's it. It's nice and fine, but I've got some rough parts in there. Now you don't want to overdo it with nuts because it can turn into nut butter. So that's how you make like peanut butter and all that. So I'm going to now, I don't have any small coconut pieces, so I'm going to actually blend that. And there we have it. I can actually roll them in the coconut. So if you don't have everything at home, don't stress. If you've got a food processor or a blender, everything works. You just have to make do. Okay, I've got some cranberries in there, and I'm going to blitz this one now. I've added some honey and peanut butter now. Okay, that's now ready. Tasted it, tastes good. Pinch of salt in there as well. Salt is just a preservative. And then I'm going to mix this in here. You roll them up in coconut like that. I've made them quite large, so it just has to have one. And yeah, you put them in the fridge until they're set. These do stay in the fridge because they're not as firm as the ones you buy in the shops because they've got a lot of wet ingredients in them. I'm going to turn this one into a bake, so I'm going to put some oats in it and then I'm going to bake it. In the fridge they go, and then the other one's going to come out of the oven soon, and that's it. My husband's got snacks for the whole week.